Hi guys, I'm the Hillside Homemaker and today I'm going to be making some non-toxic muffin or cupcake liners. I'm using unbleached parchment paper. I'm not using a ruler, I'm just eyeballing it. And then I have a spice container on the side that fits into the bottom of my muffin trays. I am cutting this paper into 5 by 5 inch squares. There will be a little bit of material left over. Next, I'm molding the paper around the top of my spice bottle. And you really want to press to get those nice creases. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple. Thanks for watching. Join me next week and I'll be making some high-protein muffins great for baby-led weaning and my toddler. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one.